Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the battery level of the left and right earbud are different. You have to start by open the application and go to update. Now check if you have the last version. If you haven't, install a new one and check maybe it fixed. Now the second one is to go to settings, Bluetooth, and now we should make a hard reset. So put it to the charging case and now press and hold this connection button until this light starts to flash red. Here we go, we're having it. Now release your finger and we should remove the device. So click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device. And now click on your earbuds at the device list. Cool. And the last one, if it didn't help you, try to fully charge the earbuds and then check it. If all of these methods didn't help you, I recommend it to call customer service center and ask with them. Maybe it's some kind of trouble with the headphones and not with software. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!